Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Grace and Pete Vlog. And for today's video, it's almost 5 in the afternoon and we are feeding the chickens right now. As you can see, they are they're after the foods. Look at that. The chicks, they are getting bigger now, and also the hen is here. They've been enjoying the foods. Look at that. As you can see, wow, they are so active this afternoon. It's really cute. So we turned them loose already, the chicks, because they are getting bigger in the pullet pen. So some of the hens is in the other side. Mao man ang log, yeah, pareha man na. And the other chicken is over here. Look at that. Hi, hello. You guys are hungry. You're hungry. Hey. They're hungry. They're really happy that they can walk around outside now. So the 3 rooster is in the rooster pen right now, because we're gonna cage them in, because that other rooster is so very bad to the hen, and we want the hen to have a break for now. So that's the hen over there. So the other one, there's a one there at the top, and it's getting better now. So bad boy is very bad. They always hurting the hen. Okay. So we're gonna turn loose the rooster maybe next week. We just need to have some break for the hen for now. So that's the 2 rooster we put in this one here. We cage them in. There's the 2 rooster there. They get bored. So the hen needs to have some break. They have a hard time. So that's some of our chicken. Looks like they're not hungry yet. Some of them are not ready to eat because they're still full. So some of them here are very hungry. Hey, don't fight. Don't fight. Look at that. They're getting bigger and bigger.
Uy, buang.
So it's enjoyable to watch when they are hungry because they're gonna after the foods, and as you can see that they're bigger and bigger, and this is a fresh water here we put. So they love that cold water, the fresh water. As you can see. They are roaming around, strolling around, and enjoying. We also give them the kalamungay tree. So this is the kalamungay tree here. This is vegetables, and this is good for the chicken. So some of our kalamungay tree is been bad, turning bad because of the extreme hot weather here, and this one is it's been healthy again. So some of them is in the other side, and they look healthy but still need to be grow a little bit more because still few of them. So when it's getting a lot, we're gonna feed some of the chicken. So this one here is looks so healthy, as you can see, so green. So we've been watering with it. We put some water, and hopefully it will grow healthy so that we can feed to the chicken. The hen loves that one. So we've been feeding some this afternoon too. Look at that. So our hen is over in that side. They've been, I think they are still full. So my husband is still there in the house, and he gonna go here later, maybe around 5:30, because they'll have some sunshine here, and he'll be coming here soon. And the sun goes down, so really enjoyable to watch when they eat. Yeah. It's really cute. So nice. It's another hot day today. So I just do a short video this afternoon. So thank you so much again for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the love and support, and for all the nice comment. I really do appreciate all of you for all the nice comment, and for all my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much again, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel. So until my next video, so stay tuned, and God bless us all.